Losing abdominal fat, or belly fat, is a common weight loss goal. The form of abdominal fat that is particularly dangerous is called visceral fat. There are substantial correlations between illnesses like type 2 diabetes and heart disease, according to research. As a result, reducing this fat can have a big impact on your health and well-being. Abdominal obesity is defined as a waist measurement of more than 40 inches, 102 centimeters, in males and 35 inches, 88 centimeters, in women. Here are 6 strategies to lose belly fat that have been proven to work. Step 1. Increase your protein. For weight loss, protein may be the most essential macronutrient. Protein may be especially helpful in decreasing belly fat. According to studies, it can help you consume up to 441 less calories per day, reduce cravings by 60%, improve metabolism by 80 to 100 calories per day, and reduce cravings by 60%. Protein can not only help you lose weight, but it can also assist you prevent gaining it back. Source: Nutrition and Metabolism, Biomed Central Journal. Many of the studies that found that protein facilitates weight loss had participants consume 25 to 30% of their calories from protein. As a result, this could be a good range to experiment with. Increase your protein intake by eating more whole eggs, seafood, legumes, nuts, meat, and dairy products. For your diet, these are the greatest protein sources. If you're on a vegetarian or vegan diet, this video will show you how to obtain enough protein. If you're having difficulty obtaining enough protein in your diet, a good protein supplement, such as whey protein, is a safe and simple method to acquire more. Cereals are still the healthiest proteins without free radicals, antioxidants and functional foods. When people remove carbohydrates from their diet, their hunger decreases and they lose weight. Source: Wiley Journal Finder. More than 20 randomized controlled trials have now demonstrated that low-carb diets can result in weight reduction of 2 to 3 times that of low-fat diets. Sources of the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism of Oxford University, and the New England Journal of Medicine. Even when individuals in the low-carb groups are given free rein to eat as much as they like, while those in the low-fat groups are restricted in their calorie intake. Low-carb diets can cause rapid water weight loss, allowing people to see improvements quickly. Within 1 to 2 days, most people notice a difference on the scale. Low-carb eating especially lowers fat in the belly and around the organs and liver, according to research comparing low-carb and low-fat diets. Source: PubMed Central. This indicates that part of the fat shed on a low-carbohydrate diet is dangerous belly fat. Simply eliminating processed carbohydrates such as sugar, sweets, and white bread would enough, especially if you maintain a high protein consumption. Some people restrict their carb consumption to 50 grams per day if they want to lose weight quickly. This puts your body into ketosis, a state in which your body starts burning fats as its main fuel and appetite is reduced. Aside from weight reduction, low-carb diets provide a slew of additional health advantages. They can, for example, considerably enhance the health of type 2 diabetics. Check the third step by clicking the first link in the description.